leads the league in triples with 4. And there's a line drive out over second into center. Bourne will play it on a roll. And Crawford gets shut out last night, but first time up tonight gets a base knock.
Little league teammate of Crawford. There's a swing, and that one's ripped down to the right field corner. There's a base hit. That one up against the wall in the corner. Crawford has great speed, but he'll be content to pull up at second with a 1-out double.
Was the third, the one they're leading by. There's a shot, and it's up the middle. 3 hits tonight for Carl Crawford. So you mentioned he's had a tough time in this park, but he's kind of getting well here tonight. First error tonight against the Astros. There's a bouncer right side. Berkman gonna no play anywhere. Man, oh man, oh man. It's sleepy time down south.